Welcome to Green and Woke on YouTube. We hope you enjoyed this segment. The link to the entire podcast can be found in the description box. Here's the recipe for flourless peanut butter cookies. What you'll need is first 1 cup of peanut butter. Note, a good quality peanut butter has only one ingredient, peanuts. Many popular brands marketed for children have lots of added sugar and other ingredients which are completely unnecessary. If someone is allergic to peanuts, they can substitute sunflower butter for peanut butter. Sunflower butter looks and tastes exactly like peanut butter, so folks won't know the difference. However, since sunflower butter is made from sunflower seeds, people with peanut allergies can eat it. If using peanut butter, you can use chunky or smooth, depending on personal preference. 2, you'll need 1 large organic egg. 3, you'll need 4 tablespoons of agave or blue agave. Agave tastes very sweet, so feel free to use less according to personal preference. This recipe uses agave instead of refined sugar because it is lower on the glycemic index. It helps you avoid blood sugar spike, the drastic rush, then crash you get from refined sugars. So it's safer for people who may have blood sugar problems like prediabetes. You can use agave, agave syrup, or agave nectar. And it's optional if you choose to add 1 teaspoon of real vanilla extract with or without alcohol. Do not use imitation. And this is how we'll do it. 1, mix all of the ingredients together. 2, this recipe makes 24 cookies, so divide your dough into 24 equal sized balls. Place them on a greased cookie sheet about 1 inch apart. 3, bake at 375 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Or you can bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, depending on your oven. And 4, when the cookies are ready, they'll be golden brown. Take them out of the oven and use a fork to make a crisscross pattern. Let them cool before serving. Enjoy your flourless peanut butter cookies. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining us. Tune in next month for an all-new episode of Green and Woke. And remember to keep it simple, keep it constant, keep it green, and together we can build a better planet.